Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I will show you how you can block or unblock a profile on Threads. We will open the application. When the application is open, we will find the profile we want to block and enter it. In the profile window, we will select the three dots located in the upper right corner of the screen. Here, a window will open with options for managing the visibility of a profile on our Threads account. We will choose the block option. In a new window, we will receive a notification about what will happen to this profile when we block it. To confirm our choice, we will click the block again. Now the account is blocked. To unblock the account, we can click again on the three dots in the upper right corner and select the unblock option. However, there is another way. We will open our profile by clicking on the icon in the lower right corner of the screen. After that we will click on the two lines in the upper right corner. Here, a large number of options will open for us, from which we need privacy. In the new menu that appears, we need to find the blocked profiles option and click on it. A list of profiles that we have blocked will open here. To unblock simply, we will click on the unblock button. In the pop-up window, we will confirm our choice by clicking again on the unblock button. That's all for this video. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Also watch our other videos on this topic. See you in the next video.